Hi viewers, today we're looking at the Excel VBA Fix Convert to Fix formula, which basically works similar, in a very similar way to the convert to integer formula or int formula. First of all, I'm going to record a macro to write my code in by going to the View tab of Excel and then going to the macro section, clicking on the macros drop down, clicking on record, and I'm going to name this macro fix underscore fx. Click on OK, and I'm going to stop running that macro and click on the drop down in the macro section again within the View tab and click on View Macros and then click on Edit My Macro. I'm going to get rid of all this green comment stuff here, and in between the sub and end sub I'm going to paste in my code. Now the bits in green are comments, and the bit we're interested in is the actual code that's not in green, which is message box, and then within the brackets fix 2.236 in brackets, and basically that's going to convert the value of 2.236 into a fix format, which is basically the same as an integer format. So if I click on, get rid of this there, if I click on play, you can see the value has been converted to 2 from 2.236. Click on OK again, and that's basically how to write a fix formula in Excel VBA 2013, which converts your value into an integer or integer-like format.